One-stop shopping for fashion and function accessories. We work very hard to do accessories that you need for your daily essentials better. On Do Accessories, you will get retailed and wholesaled fashion and function accessories, home decorations, party supplies, baby items, travel accessories, beachwear, beauty tools, outdoor, indoor products, online and offline. All of these are widely used in gift ideas and fit all festivals, holidays, etc. Do Accessories keep doing awesome fashion accessories, home decorations, party suppliers for all new and loyal buyers. Fit your Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Snapchat, and social media worthy fashion daily essentials. Easy to match and perfect fit any style of trends, occasions, and all ages. Are you ready to step up your shopping? Enjoy shopping with Do Accessories at affordable prices. Email doaccessories@doaccessories.com